Ever feel like you have big dreams, but no energy to make them happen? You tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes. You want to do great things, but it feels so hard to even start. You think about writing a book, getting fit, or learning something new, but instead, you scroll on your phone or watch TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you're lazy forever. It's because the task feels too big. When something feels too hard, your brain looks for something easier. Comfort feels safer than effort. But here's the good news. You can fix this. Laziness isn't who you are. It's just a habit. And habits can change. Think about how often you felt stuck because the goal seemed impossible. You want to save money, but cutting back feels overwhelming. You want to get healthier, but running every day sounds exhausting. It's not that you don't care. Your brain is simply wired to avoid pain and seek comfort. And that means you can outsmart it. Here are 3 simple steps to stop feeling lazy and start doing what matters. Step 1, make it small. Big tasks feel scary, so break them down. If you want to write a book, don't think about writing 200 pages. Just write 1 sentence today. Small steps are easier, and they build confidence. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You don't jump to the top. You take 1 step, then another. The same goes for your goals. Small wins add up. If you want to learn a new skill like playing guitar, don't try to master a whole song in 1 day. Just practice 1 chord. Over time, small efforts turn into big results. Focus on progress, not perfection. Step 2, create easy routines. Don't rely on willpower. Willpower runs out. Routines don't. Make things automatic. If you want to exercise, put your shoes next to your bed. When you wake up, starting feels easy. Think of routines like training wheels. They support you until the habit becomes natural. Maybe your routine is writing a simple to-do list every morning or drinking a glass of water as soon as you wake up. You tell yourself these small habits create structure, but tomorrow build momentum. You want to do Step 3, use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part is starting. So promise yourself you'll work on something for just 2 minutes. That's it. Want to read? Read 1 page. Want to clean your room? Start with 1 corner. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. Like pushing a ball down a hill, the first push is hard, but after that, it rolls on its own. Here's a bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After your 2 minutes, celebrate in a small way. Listen to your favorite songs. Take a short break. Rewards make starting feel good and motivate you to continue. Here's the truth. Everyone starts small. Even the people you admire struggled in the beginning. They just kept going. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it's a tiny spark. Every small action you take adds fuel. Keep adding fuel, and soon that spark becomes a roaring fire. So what will you do today to light that fire? Remember, it's okay to fail. Everyone fails. What matters is getting back up and trying again. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Be kind to yourself and keep moving forward. Let's keep it simple. If you're ambitious but lazy, here's what to do. Make tasks small and easy. Create routines that support you. Start with just 2 minutes of effort. That's it. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Pick 1 thing. Take 1 small step today. Your dreams are waiting for you. Go make them happen. And remember this, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Small efforts, done regularly, can create massive change. But consistency starts with action. So take action today.